Hello everyone, welcome back to another easy InDesign tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a project planner page, and when you're done, you can sell this anywhere like on Etsy, your own shop, and you can also duplicate as many pages as you want, then compile and publish on Amazon KDP. And this is so easy to make, so follow along and don't skip. Oh, and thanks for stopping by, but don't be a stranger, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so create a new document on InDesign and enter the size of your planner. For me, I'm using 11 inches by 8.5 inches. That's letter size, but only landscape orientation. And for the margins, I'm using 0.3 inches, and you can go over, it's up to you. You can use 0.5, and most of the time, 0.5 is the largest that I'm using. Now, I'm just using 0.3 inches all around. So this is our document now. And next thing is you go to layout and then create guides. Now go ahead and click on preview so you can see the guides here right away. And now I want 3 columns, and see here if you can see the blue lines, and the space in between is your gutters. So it's the space between whatever elements you have on this part or in this area. So just hit OK. And once you have that, hit on text tool and let's type project planner, and you can use whatever font and size that you want. Right now that I have that, okay, so I'm gonna go just over print preview so I don't see any of the lines here. So once you have that, once you have your title, go to table and then create table, and I'm gonna do 5 rows and 2 columns. So just enter the rows here and the columns over here and hit OK. Now drag it over here from this point up to this point, and then I'm going to resize this area or these rows. Okay, and then drag this down over here, and this one should have, oh wait, this one should have the same size. Alright, so I'm going to highlight everything. Just click on this and click on everything here so it's all highlighted, and I'm going to change it to 0.5 because I don't want a thicker lines. And here I'm just going to go resize this like so, and this one I will merge it, this two, and as well as this one. Now I'm going to click everything again and go to my fonts because I'm going to use a different font like that, and maybe 9. Okay, I'm just designing everything first before I put the text. So this one should be black, and I go here formatting text, and my text should be white over here because I can't go black on this. Alright, now I'm just going to type project name or title over here, and then this one can do to be completed. In here I can put short term, medium term, and long term. And let's see, go ahead and click on this rectangle tool and hold Shift key so it's even. And then go here, click on black. I'm going to change again the outline to 0.5. Now just click on the box or the check box, and then on your keyboard just hold the Option or the Alt key and then drag it over here to copy. Alright, so now that you have that, I'm going to do center it here and call it break it down, and this one I'll do completed. And that's it. That's all you need. And all you have to do is copy this, drag this, hold the Alt key again or the Option key, and then just drag it. That's the easier way to duplicate or copy and paste elements. So this is how it looks.
And that's all for today. If you haven't liked this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. Also, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, because I have lots more great things coming up. Other than that, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!